Welcome to PFTV, Asanda, 3-3 draw, and then we lost on the penalties. What do you think of the game?
Yeah, ngicala nje ngokuthi ngibongisa amabhakani yaqala. iPirates bafethu is one of the biggest team in Africa actually because bakhombisa indlela abadlala ngayo, ukhombisa ukuthi vele bayazithemba. Intwana akusilula namanje ngizwile amajida akhuluma namanje la ukuthi akusilula vele ukusuka from ku0 uya ku3. Akusilula sokunabantu abakulida ngaphambili ngo3 uyiqualizer uze ufike na kunamagola u3 akusinto elula. So amajida adlale kakhulu ngicela ukuthi nawe angabhekisa inhloko phansi. Yeah, fanele bathi the heads up nje fanele bona bazithembe ba amasotsha. Nathi si proud ngabo vele into abayenzile vele inamandla kakhulu akekho umuntu ongayenza i-tsunami le. I-tsunami le khotmane so ingako sithi amabhani sohleze siwasupporta undulu makakhutha ipenalty bafethu penalty noma ubani ngayikhutha ipenalty nangu no hot ikutile yabona so noma ubani engasi right nje kodwa siyayamkela uma yenzekile because ama penalty.
And then referee when Asanda we saw referee like every decision was almost going against us. How would you rate referee namhlanje?
Look, into eyenzeke ngale ile beyifuna ukwenzeka nala. But unfortunately ngoba besigcwele ngale benze the same thing ukhumbula ukuthi nangale vele basenze lento le masiyodlala ngale so sikulindele lokho but sazile thina sobeka ibhola phansi ureferee mina ngimrating next ayikho into engimnika yona because njengamanje ngibona bayafuna ukucindezela lapho nalapho but ke mawuyiplayer kumelanga ufocus ku referee isikhathi esiningi fanele ukufocus ebholeni because if uza focus ku referee uzoba nenkinga so thina sidlala ibhola ingakho ubona sikwazi uequalize lamagola u3 behlala ibhola silibeke phansi siyokora kuphela. Yeah.
Words of encouragement for Umbuthuma ukumisa penalty.
Yeah, manje bese ngishilo sekuqaleni ngathi uba noma ubani ngayikhutha penalty. Boy pick up nakithi dlalile heads up phakamisa inhloko ngabhek phansi siyaphambili manje. Nanoma kwenzekeni namhlanje mara kusalayo siyaphambili.
Last question, who was your man of the match?
Yeah, nginamajida ngazile apolice vele ngiyamnika nami. Apolice udlale kakhulu namhlanje. Ukhumbula ukuthi umuntu okwazi ukuthi abe creative. He was so much creative today. He put it all ukuthi akwazi ukudistribute abheka ama player agijima emasayidini. Wenze lento besidinga vele ehlale sikhala ngayo. Namanje if uzoqhubeka enza kanje angicanga ukuthi akukho la sizohluleka khona. Akukho la sizohluleka khona. Inhliziyo zibhlungu mfethu but yeah, siyakhona.
Thanks Asanda.